I'm doing a review on this Wagon, who has been very essential in my life, especially when it comes to grocery shopping. As you can see, I have a lot of things in here. This Wagon is amazing. It has brought me so much joy knowing that I do not have to carry all these groceries home. It has saved my hands, my back, my shoulders, everything, my patience, my energy. This Wagon is amazing. I've had it for a little over a year now, I would say. And it's just wonderful. I'm very thankful.
So this is it. So far, super happy with it. Got a nice little extendable table on the end, super durable wheels, and of course, pulling this thing up is super cinchy. Let me just go ahead and pull this down first. Literally, this is all you have to do. Is just pull up here, and the whole thing closes up. Like this. Then you put the straps over, cinch it at the bottom, and ready to go. Take it in the car. Like I say, this thing is super awesome. I love it.
So I got this Wagon for when I get the groceries, and look who's inside. Coach Mooch. The wheels.